Okay. Uh, Today we will start from the heap, that is in module 5, I feel. Module 4, heap. So we will do it in this class. Just a minute. Huh? Okay. I have given a few lab work today. I hope that you have seen that. In the lab work, you can go to the classroom section. In the lab questions, I have added one questions from skip list. One question from skip list I have added. Okay. And the probable question from the theory part, I will give it soon. Don't worry, because I am trying to create the question paper, but it will take some time. I'll give that. And one more thing, I have given a few textbook. I can, if you go through the textbook and reference book, there are a few books given. Fine. There are few books given. 6 books are given. Only one books I couldn't get, but 5 books I have got, and I have uploaded it in the textbook section. Okay. So you can download those books for your reference. Okay, fine. So now I'm going to okay. So we'll start from the heap. So what is heap? This is the first question. Have you went through the heap in your data structure and the algorithm part in your BTech? Did you remember anything regarding heap? Anyone? Anyone? Any idea of heap? Anyone? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So any idea of what is heap? Okay, fine. I am explaining. Heap is basically a data structure, which is a we can say that it is a specialized binary tree based data structure, and it is also a binary tree, meaning that it is at most each parent node has two children. So in heap we are having a root, and each and every node are having can have maximum of 2 children, or may have 0 children also, 0, 1 and 2, like binary tree. So heap is a binary tree with special characteristics, and each and every node are having a data, right? The heap data structure can be called as a binary heap also, and there are two kind of heap, like one is max heap, one is min heap. So we are trying to, this is I'm writing all this, can have a parent node, can have a parent node, can have 0, 1 or 2 children. That means maximum of 2 children it can have. It can be called as a binary heap. Fine. And two types of heap are there. Two types. One is max heap and another one is min heap. One is max heap and one is min heap. Okay. So, and another thing is that the heap should be a complete tree. Should be a complete, for which I mean, we can say that it uses a minimum number of height to intake all the nodes. So if a binary tree is completely full in size, okay, so we can say, and if the height is suppose h, so we can say that what will be the number of nodes? Number of nodes. The number of nodes is 2 to the power 2 to the power 2 to the power h plus 1 minus 1. So this is the total number of nodes n. If the height is, if h is the height. So these are some property of heap. If you, and another characteristics, it should be ordered. Should be ordered. So let us come to the max and min heap. Max and min heap. So suppose we are having a tree. I'm taking a hierarchy. We are having a tree. Nodes I can give like 4, 5, 8, 88, 13, 43. At shape below. It can be 50. Okay. So let us consider that it is a heap. Let us consider that this is a heap. Fine. So here the root node is 4, and for the root node we are having two child nodes 5 and 8, and both of them are greater than 4. Even if we consider the 5's child nodes are 88 and 13, and both of them are greater than 5. 43 and 50 is greater than 8. So we can say all the children are greater than its parent node. So here are a few properties we can write. Like root is 4, parent of 5 is 4, parent of 8 is 4, parent of 88 is 5, parent of 13 is 5. So by using this, we may consider a function of parent which indicates the parent, who is the parent node of this. Similarly, we can use some other way to indicate the left child node or the right child node. So left child node of 5 is 88. Right child node of 5 is 13. So such function, or similar function you can use to indicate that who is the parent node and who is the child node. Who is the parent node and who is the child node. Fine. Now construction of a heap is construction of heap is important. How to construct a heap? Construction of a heap. Fine. To construct a heap, to construct a heap, we should have some numbers. The numbers can be in, or I mean, in ascending or descending order, or it can be any. I mean, the randomly we can choose any numbers. Like it should not be in ascending or descending. It can be in other way also. So we are taking some numbers. I'm selecting a few numbers randomly. Okay. Now let us create tree with all this. So how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So altogether 14 numbers are there. So altogether 14 numbers are there. So we can take a nodes of insert of we can take a tree. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now I'm taking it here below. So how many numbers I have counted? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So such. So we are inserting all the numbers from the beginning. 5, 33. Now we are not checking anything. Fine. 5, 33, 6, then 9, 12, 43, 45, 70, 23, 55, 65, 23. 23 I have taken twice, so let us change it. That's 25, 20, sorry, 25, then 75 to 43. Fine. So we have taken all the notes, and I think you have noticed that I have filled all the possible field from left to right to maintain the complete binary tree characteristics. Now we have to construct the heap. Either we can construct a max heap or we can construct the mean heap. Like this is a mean heap. Like this is a mean heap. Like the root is having the minimum number. Right? Root is having the minimum number. And if the root is having the maximum number, then it should be called as a max heap. So let us construct the mean heap. So we have to check in this way. Like last trios, we have to notice who are the trios. Like if we consider this node 5 as a parent node, it is having 2 child nodes, right? So these 3 are known as one trios. Again, 33, 9 and 12 are considered as another trios. 6, 43 and 45 are considered as another trios. Similarly, 9, 70 and 23 are the trios. 12, 55 and 65 are trios. 43, 25, 75 are trios. And 45 for 243. And as 45 is not having any right child node, so we have to consider 45 and 253 as a trio. So after that, within each trios, we will check whether it is maintaining the condition of the mean heap or not. So the condition of the mean heap is the parent node should have the minimum number. So it is maintaining, it is already maintaining it. Okay, so 45 is less than 243. Fine, it is already maintaining. So we are going to the next trio. Now another thing is that suppose we have to, I'm taking it and to make you understand about the position, I am taking the position from the, I'm taking the position of, just a minute, excuse me. Hello, sorry, I had a call. Yeah. Now we can see that if we consider the root node as the position as 1, now I'm taking the position for 33, 2, position for is 3, okay. Position for, just a minute, 4, this is 5, this is 6, okay, this is 7, he has come to this, okay, 3, this is 3, sorry, 3, this is 8, this is 9, this is 10, this is 11, this is 12, this is 13, this is 14, fine. So this is how we can take all the, now if we consider the trials, suppose this is 14, so we can get the parent node just dividing the 14 by 2, like as it is 14, place number 14, the left child node, it is left child node. So the characteristics of the left child node is the position should be even, and the characteristics of the right child node is the position would be odd. So as the last position is 14, so we know that it is the left child node and its parent node is 7. So we will start counting from the position 7 as a trios to get the trios, fine. So 7 we have got, fine. So 7, 14 are within a trio. Next trio are, in the next trio, I mean in the previous trio, the parent node's position would be 6. So its left child node is 2 into 6, that is 12. And the right child node is 2 into 6 plus 1, that is 13. Okay. So we will consider this 3 trio after that. And we will check which one is minimum. So if we compare the parent node with the left child node, then 25 is minimum and 43 is greater than 25. So we will swap it. Okay. So we'll swap it. So we'll make the swap and it should be 43. Then we'll check this 25 is 75. It is already maintaining the order. Then we will go back to the previous trio, that is 5. Okay. So it is 5. As it is 5, so its left child node is 5 into 2, that is 10. Right child node is 5 into 2 plus 1, that is 11. So we'll check for both of them. 12 is less than 55 and 65. So it is maintaining the order. Even 9 is maintaining the order. Now we'll go after the 9, the position is 3. I mean, the 9th position was 4. Then we'll go to the 3. So in the 3, it is maintaining the order as 6 is less than 25 and 6 is less than 45. Fine. So when we'll go back to 2, position 2, the item is 33, but the 33 is greater than 9. So it should be swapped out. So it should be 9 and it should be 33. But when we are swapping it, obviously, if this position is having the child node, we have to check it whether it is maintaining the same in its child with its child node or not. So 33 is maintaining position with 70, fine, but 33 is greater than 20, so it should be swapped out. Fine, 3. Okay. Now I'll go back to the first one. 5 is less than 9, 5 is less than 6. So we are having the mean heap, complete mean heap. So this is how we can construct the mean heap. After the construction of the mean heap, the first operation is insertion. One is insertion, one is deletion. Searching is very easy, so I'm not go to the searching portion for the heap. Now I'm coming to the insertion deletion part. So let us discuss about the insertion first. So for example, we want to add 56 within the list. So if we want to insert 56, so it should be come the last position first. It should come in this position 56. Then we will check whether 56 is this trios are maintaining the order or not. If this trios is maintaining the order, then this is fine.
Ma'am, একটা কোশ্চেন আছে ম্যাম।
হ্যাঁ বলো।
হ্যাঁ ম্যাডাম, আপনি ওই যে ট্রায়োর কথাটা বলছিলেন না, ট্রায়ো মানে কি ম্যাডাম ওই তিনটে করে যেটা হচ্ছে ট্রায়াঙ্গেলের মতো সেটাকে বোঝাচ্ছে?
Exactly. We are taking a parent node along with its 2 child nodes called as a trio. So we are just considering it for ease of calculation. It is not any technical term I'm using. I'm just considering this keyword to make you understand which portion we are considering for the calculation. Okay. So 56 has been inserted in a very easy way because 56 is greater than 45 and it is maintaining the mean heap order. But instead of 56, if it was 6, so in that case, it is not maintaining the order. Or suppose if it is 3 it is. So it is not maintaining the order. So in that case, this 3, when we are inserting 3 at a position, it is the position of 15. So we are finding the parent node of it. 15 by 2 is 7.5. We will take the floor value. So 7 is the parent node of 3. This is the position. 7 is the position of the parent node of 3. Now the data is 45, which is greater than 3. And in mean heap, it should not be considered, right? So what we will do, we will swap it. So we will swap it definitely. 45. Fine. Now I'm considering this particular part. This is also a child node of some parent node. So we'll again consider the parent node. Now it is 7. The parent node is 7 by 2, that is 3.5, that is 3. So in position 3, 6 is there. 6 is greater than 3, so you have to swap it. Okay. Then again, we will consider the parent node of 3, that is 5. We have to swap it as 5 is greater than 3. Okay. So now it is a complete mean heap. Can say that now it is a complete mean heap. So during the insertion, we must know that how to do it. I mean, how to check the whether it is minimum or maximum, we have to check it with the parent nodes until it is not satisfying all the conditions. Now suppose we want to insert 1. So that one would come as a left child node of 70. So it is not in this particular trio, it is not maintaining the order. So 1 would come here, 70 would go here. Again, it should be swapped out. So 1, 23. Again, we have to swap it. 9, 1. Again, we have to swap it. 1, 3. And another thing, there should not be any comparison between the left child node and the right child node. Any node can be greater than other node. Like 23 here, left child node is less than right child node. And here, the left child node is greater than the right child node. So there is no comparison we do normally. So this is the process of the insertion. Now the process of deletion. Process of deletion. Okay. So deletion ta kiভাবে করব? Suppose we want to delete a number 12. So how to do the delete? Delete operation in this heap. So if we delete 12, what we would do, we will replace 12 with the last node. We'll replace 12 with the last node. First, we'll check which one is the last node. Last node is 70. So we'll replace 12 with the last node. We'll send 12 in the last place, and 70 would be replaced with this particular place. And when 70 is coming here, we'll check whether it is maintaining the order. First, we will compare it with the left child node. So it is not maintaining the order, so we'll have to swap it. Right? And as we know that for all the nodes, the length of this tree is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So what we will do to delete the 12? We will reduce the length by 1. That is 16 minus 1. That is 15. So if we reduce the length, then it is automatically deleted. So this is the process of the deletion. So whatever we will do, whether it is insertion or it is a deletion, we'll first target to the last position or next possible position. If in this particular level all the nodes are filled up, then we'll go to the next level and we'll take the first number of this particular level, and we will create a left child node for it. And if there is a left child node for 23, right child node of 23 is available, left child node of 33 is available, then we'll target to the right child of 33. So we'll just fill it from left to right. So whether it is an insertion technique or it is a deletion technique, what we will do, we will take it from the left to right.
ম্যাম একটা কোশ্চেন আছে ম্যাডাম, যেমন ধরুন আপনি বলছিলেন না যে আমি ডিলিট করতে গেলে পরে আমি লাস্ট নোটটা চুজ করব। সাপোজ আমি এখানে একটা নোট ডিলিট করব, সে 5 ডিলিট করব, তাহলে 5টাকে মানে আমার যে লাস্ট নোট আছে, লাস্ট নোট বলতে কোনটা, এক্ষেত্রে কোনটা নেব?
45।
ও আচ্ছা, মানে আমি ধরুন মাঝখান থেকে কোনো 70 65
না আচ্ছা, it should come with a position. যে পজিশন আমি যেটা দেখালাম এখানে 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So 14 is the last position.
আচ্ছা ওকে।
Similarly আমি ডিলিট করতে যাচ্ছি না। হ্যাঁ, similarly here 45 is in the last position. So if we want to delete the 5, we will swap this 5 with the last position. We will make the balance whether it is maintaining the order and just reduce the length of the tree by 1. That's it. Understand? So I'm giving you one example. I'm giving you one few random numbers: 3, 55, 66, 22, 34, 11, 13, 6, 87, 100, 10. So take this numbers to create a heap first. You all please do it in your copy and take a snap, upload it in the WhatsApp so that we can see it. Make a heap first. How to create a heap? Do all these steps one by one. I mean, please do not do any kind of step jump. Do it and upload it. ক্লাস চলছে, 1 মিনিট দাঁড়াও, একটু দাঁড়াও। Hello Ishita, I have got your answer, but you are creating min heap or max heap? Hello Ishita?
ভুল হয়েছে ওটা।
হ্যাঁ, ওখানে একটা ভুল হয়েছে, একটু দেখো।
আচ্ছা ম্যাডাম, আমি না
হুম,
মিন হিপ আর ম্যাক্স হিপটা একটু বলবেন? আমি একটা ছবি পাঠিয়েছি, দেখুন ম্যাডাম।
এক মিনিট দাঁড়াও, দেখছি। এটা তো
হ্যাঁ
3 6, আচ্ছা প্রথমে তুমি নিয়েছো তো 4 6, হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে। তারপর তুমি সেগুলোকে ব্যালেন্স করেছো কেটে কেটে, তারপরে তুমি তোমার ফাইনালি যেটা এসছে সেটা হচ্ছে 3 6 11 22 10, ঠিকই তো আছে।
হ্যাঁ
এটা
ঠিকই আছে
মিনিট,
ম্যাডাম।
হ্যাঁ এটা মিনিট হয়েছে।
মিন হিপ হয়েছে তাই তো?
হ্যাঁ
আর
এটা মিনিট হয়েছে,
ম্যাক্স হিপ?
বিকজ দ্য রুট নোড, আই মিন দ্য
হ্যাঁ
প্যারেন্ট নোড
হ্যাঁ
is less than its child
হ্যাঁ
node, then it is min
হ্যাঁ
heap.
হ্যাঁ,
And if
আচ্ছা
the
আচ্ছা।
parent node is greater than its child node, then it
হ্যাঁ,
is max heap.
ঠিক আছে ম্যাডাম।
ঠিক আছে, ঠিকই আছে। এটা তো আহ,
না ওটা একটু দেখুন তো।
এটাকে পাঠিয়ে দেখি।
তোমারও ছিল? আমাদের
3
কত
6
ইসে
11
গ্যাস
20,
জানো? মাস্টার ও নষ্ট হয়ে যায়। একটা স্ক্রিন পরে চলে
min
যায়।
heap না max heap নিশিতা?
মিন
আমি আমি তো দেখতে পাচ্ছি 55 is greater than 34।
4 দিন দিয়ে আনলে তাও গায়ে লাগে না। 100 টাকা না, 4 দিন দিয়ে গিয়ে দেওয়া
হ্যাঁ
খরচা হবে।
ব্যালেন্স করতে হবে, একটু দেখে দেখে করো, একটা একটা করে নাও, তারপরে করো। মানে দেখো,
হারিয়ে চলে যাচ্ছে।
দেখাচ্ছি। সাপোজ ইউ আর টেকিং ইট, হুম, আমি এখানে একটা এখানে একটা বোর্ডের অপশন ছিল না, হোয়াইট বোর্ড, হ্যাঁ হোয়াইট বোর্ড, স্টার্ট নিউ হোয়াইট বোর্ড। আচ্ছা এখানে কি কি নাম্বার আমার নেওয়া আছে? 355, 3, আর দেখে কিভাবে 355, হ্যাঁ তারপর হচ্ছে 66 হলো, 22, 34 11, 34 11, 13 6, 87 100, ten. So which one is the last trio? That you have to find. So position is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. This is the position of 11. So 11 by 2 is 5. Of course it is 5. 1 2 3 4 5. This is 5. So you have to check whether within this trio everything is normal or not. So 34 is less than 100, that is normal. But 34 is greater than 10, it is not normal. So what we have to do, we have to remove 34 from here. We have to write 10. Okay. And we have to remove 10 from here. Have to write 34. Don't look at my handwriting. Okay. Now, as this is 5, the next trio is 4. 1 2 3 4. So this in the next trio, the root node position is 4. So it is greater than 6. It is not, which is not normal. So it should be 22 and it should be 6. Fine. And 6 is less than 87. Fine. Now we are going to this particular trio 3. So it should be swapped out 11 and 66. Next one is 55 and 6. We should delete 6 from here. So 6 will go here. 55 will come here. Fine. But here 55 is not maintaining properly the order with 22. So we have to remove it. We have to write 55 here at 22 here. So after that, we are going to this particular trio. 3 is less than 6, 3 is less than 11. So this is the final tree. So you have to create the tree in this way. Now suppose you want to delete 6. So what you would do, 6 should be replaced with 34. So if you want to delete 6, 34 come here, 6 would come here. When 34 would come here, so it should be compared with its child nodes, I mean its children's, like 34 with 22. The order is not maintained, so what we will do, we'll swap 34 and 22, 34 and 22. 34 now compared with 55 and 87, and of course 22 should be compared with 10, and 22, when we are comparing 22 with 10, it should come here. So now we are 10 and 22. When we are taking 22 here, we have to check it with 100. It is fine, but we will not check it with this, because we will not consider the last number, as the last number should be removed. So the last number are removed by reducing the length. Length was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now it is 13. So there is no child node. Now this is balanced. So this is how we have to do the deletion and the insertion operation. So I hope that
ম্যাম আরেকটা কোশ্চেন ম্যাম, সেটা হচ্ছে যে যখন আপনি ধরুন ওই নাম্বারিং করছেন না নোটে, তো ওই নোটগুলোতে সেম লেভেলের নোটগুলোতে আমি নাম্বারিংটা এরকম রাখবো, মানে ধরুন 3 এর পর 3টা 1 ধরলাম, তাহলে 10 ধরবো 2, 11 ধরবো 3, এইভাবে করব, তাই তো?
বুঝলাম না, আরেকবার বলো।
মানে ধরুন এই যে আপনি নোটগুলো বলছিলেন না, যখন ডিলিশন করব তখন লাস্ট নোটটাকে একটা নাম্বারিং করছিলেন ম্যাম।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ।
তো আমি বললাম যে সেম লেভেলের নোটগুলোকে, মানে আপনি যদি 3টাকে 1 ধরেন, তাহলে 10টাকে ধরবো 2 আর 11টাকে ধরবো 3, তাই তো?
হ্যাঁ, মানে 1 থেকে স্টার্ট হবে, 0 থেকে না।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, বুঝতে পেরেছি। 1 2 3, তারপর 34 32 হচ্ছে 4 5, তারপর 6 7 16,
মানে 1
আর
2 3, মানে লেফট থেকে যাবে 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10। আমি লিখছি, আমি তোমার একবার লিখে দেখাচ্ছি, দাঁড়াও। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now you can check that in every case the left child node position is twice of its parent, and the right child node's position is twice of its parents plus 1. 1 into 2 is 2, 1 into 2 plus 1 is 3. 5 into 2 is 10, 5 into 2 plus 1 is 11. That is not there right now. 4 into 2 is 8, 4 into 2 plus 1 is 9. So this is how it is calculating. So I hope that you have understood. And if there is any doubt, any other doubt, please ask me. Is there any other doubt? Hello?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So now the next you have got a question of skip list. You will try the skip list, the create of skip list, and try to find the 10458 within the list. That list is given. But you try, after that, you try to implement the heap construction, mean heap construction. Okay, try to construct the mean heap. But in your lab copy, everything should be there. So why I'm giving only one by one questions? See, there is no further time to. I mean, I think the MTech examination will be held along with the BTech. I mean, the same time from the December. So all the syllabus, I mean, the entire syllabus would not be possible to cover, but I will try to cover a little bit point from each module. Okay, like from heap, the total heap, maybe I will not be able to cover. I can go to the search tree, balance tree, a little bit of that I can cover. So this is how I'm trying to cover. So what I would like to suggest you try to finish what I am doing. You try to finish the corresponding lab also, so that you can relate the question with the practical. Fine. So as we have done the heap construction, if you have done the mean heap construction, you can do the max heap also. So I'm not going to the max heap part. We will do only the mean heap, construction of one mean heap along with one insertion and deletion operation. So that would be the next program. So you first try to finish this skip list, and after that we'll go to the mean heap construction. So today I am winding up the session for this only. So in the next day we will see. I will see that whether you have done the mean heap construction or not. Okay. I will, if there is any problem, there will be any problem, then I'll give you some clue so that you can do the program. And I will go to some other module in the next day. So from each module, I will complete a little bit, because now you can see that this is 10th of November, and we will get time up to this month only. And from the December 1, I mean December 6, I think the written test would be starting. Written test, I think we have got a academic calendar. I am showing you that. Just a sec. Yeah, this is the academic calendar. So after receiving the academic calendar, I was thinking that it would not be possible. So the teaching day, see, the 10th November, teaching day would be up to 18th November, 27th November, 4th December. So up to 4th December, the classes will be, I mean, classes would be possible. And after, from 6th December, the practical class would be starting. From the 13th December, the theory would be starting. So there is only 1 month left in our hand. So I'll try my level best to complete the syllabus as much as it possible. Okay, so but first we will touch each and every module so that we can have some idea from each and every points, those which are there in the syllabus. So we have already done the module 1, the revision of everything. We have done the module 6, the dictionary, hashing. Okay, and we have done the skip data structure also, deterministic and everything we have done. Now heap we have done. So I will see how you can create a heap, and after that I can touch the union and find module. So that is module 5. So only one module then would be remaining, but this module is the I mean very important module, that is the trees. So we'll try to finish touch the tree first, then we will go for the union and find module. Okay, so this is my planning for the MTech, and I will share a few questions also, important questions also, which can help you to understand that how you can get some question and how you can attempt that. Okay. So this is the planning. I hope that there will not be any problem for you all, because I think there will not be any problem. So you can try for the creation of mean heap. You take any random numbers and try to construct it. Fine. Hello.
Yes,
ওকে ম্যাম।
ম্যাম কবে থেকে রিটেন টেস্ট শুরু হচ্ছে?
13।
ম্যাম বলছি আপনি যেটুকু পড়াবেন সেই জিনিসগুলোই পড়বো তো, নাকি পুরো সিলেবাসটা কমপ্লিট করতে হবে?
না না না, আমি যেটুকু পড়াবো সেটুকুর ওপর থেকেই আমি কোশ্চেন দেব, চিন্তা নেই। ঠিক আছে।
আর ম্যাডাম বললাম যে এই নোটসের জন্য বা কিছুর জন্য ম্যাডাম কোনো একটা বই সাজেস্ট করুন না ম্যাম।
বই আমি দিয়ে দিয়েছি, তুমি দেখো।
ওই কোর না, আপনি একটা বলেছিলেন কোরম্যানের, ওখানে তো অনেকগুলো বই আছে।
এখানে অনেক বই আছে, তোমাকে যেটা করতে হবে, তুমি যদি কোনো টপিক পড়তে চাও, সেই টপিকটা তোমাকে ওই বইতে খুঁজে নিয়ে তারপরে পড়তে হবে, কারণ এক একটা বই এক একটা ভাবে কভার করেছে। তো উই ক্যানট সাজেস্ট আ সিঙ্গেল বুক। Coreman is the mother book. We can say that for the algorithm part, the Coreman is the mother book. That is for sure. But for the advanced data structure part, we cannot blindly depend on a single book. So there are 6 books in your syllabus is mentioned, but I could accumulate only 5 books. One book I am not finding. So the books I have got, I have uploaded it. So you can download the ebooks and you can find it from there. And Google is also there. So if you want to have any idea, then you can Google it also. But I prefer you first read some book which is authored by some good authors, because in Google you can find many sources, but the sources may be obtained from some simple person who are not affiliate with any university, or so that is the problem of the sources available in Google. So I suggest to have some books and find your topic there, and you can get your answer. For any example, you can search it in Google also. That is not a problem, but to go for the book first, because everything is not available in Google. Many points are there in your syllabus. You will not find it in the Google.
আর ম্যাম বললাম যে আমাদের এমটেক এর যে রিটেন কোশ্চেন হবে ওটা কত নম্বরের হবে ম্যাম?
Just a sec. First MCQ of 10, there will be, or 12 MCQs will be there, and any 10 you have to attempt. Then 5 questions will be given, 5 marks each. You have to attempt any 3. And then 5 15 marks question would be given. You have to attempt any 3. So altogether 70 marks would be there.
আচ্ছা,
Fine.
ম্যাম একটু লিখে নি, এক মিনিট দাঁড়ান।
This is very simple. I'm writing
12
it.
MCQ,
12 10 out of 12 MCQ. Fine. This is group A. In group B, 3 out of 5, that is 5 marks each. This is 1 marks each. And then C is 3 out of 5, 15 marks each. This is the pattern. So altogether 1 into 10, that is 10. 5 into 3, that is 15. And 15 into 3, that is 45. So altogether 70 marks.
প্রত্যেকটা ম্যাম মানে প্রত্যেকটা এক্সামে কি এরকম হবে নাকি এটা
হ্যাঁ
শুধু
প্রত্যেকটা
আপনার
এক্সাম
কাছে।
এরকমই হবে। আর আমি একটা অ্যাসাইনমেন্টও দেবো তোমাদের, যেটা তোমরা জমা করে দিও। সেটার উপর থেকে তোমাদের ইন্টারনাল মার্কসটা অ্যাসেস আমি করব। আর একটা ইন্টারনাল আমি এক্সাম নেব, বাট ইন অনলাইন মোডই অনলি, নট ইন ফিজিক্যাল মোড। সো আই এম ওয়েটিং ফর দি instructions. I will take one exam for the internal and another assignment I'll give. So from the internal questions only you may get an idea of the other questions also. So is that okay? Everything?
Yes.
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম।
Okay, fine. So I'm winding up the session for today.
ওকে ম্যাম।
Hmm.